Welcome to another Save Your Books video. This one is on a quick tip on tape when you have a spine that's loose and you just want to repair it quickly with what you have in your house. Now, in other videos I've shown how to do this with archival Japanese tissues and paste or archival PVA glue. But we don't always have those things around in our houses when we're ready to just do a little repair. What we typically have is packing tape or painter's tape, which is the one that I actually am going to recommend. So when you have packing tape, I'm going to recommend that you cut it in half. And the way to do that is to, let's see, we're going to attach the tape. You can do it on the side of a table, but right now I've just got this brick. And make sure that's the same width as the book, or same length as the book. Close enough. And it's actually important that the line be fairly straight, so that's why I've got this. And I'm only using 1/2 of it, so I don't need to worry about the other half. Ooh, getting away from me there. I'm actually finding it hard to look at on this the white surface below it. All right, and then that's stuck to the surface. I'll just leave that there. Oh, I can see it's not quite straight. All right, it's kind of a pain in the ass, I'm going to admit it. However, it is possible and it is beneficial. So I'm going to stick with cut it in half. Okay, so we're going to use this painter's tape instead of the packing tape because it's better for the book. And we're going to start with a piece that's a little longer, call it a rough cut. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it along the edge here so that there's some of the tape is actually sticking up over the book, like that. Let's see if you can see what that looks like. See, this is the sticky part. You wouldn't think that's how you do it, but that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to fold it back down again, creating a hinge, a nice, neat hinge. And then pressing the loose spine back onto this tape. Go, and then we can just trim top of that. And if there are little bits of tape sticking out that are sticky that you just don't want to be a problem sticking to other things, you can put more of the blue tape on top of that. Now this is something that I normally would do with Japanese tissue and archival adhesives, and you can color match it. The blue happens to kind of be good for the blue here. But the whole point of this is so that when you open up the spine, that you maintain the hollow. And that's the important thing, because once you've glued that hollow down, you're just causing all sorts of problems, because the book then would be breaking the spine every time you open it. All right, that's it. That is the quick save the actual spine for a later time when somebody can actually preserve that. I mean, obviously these are not archival materials, but it's better than just letting the spine keep flapping around. Okay, that's my quick tip on tape for books. Thanks for watching.